right, what up? What up? Let's get you all tagged here. Okay. Who's all here? Who's all here? Hornets going to Benjamin Schmidt. T-Wolves, Norberto Rivera. Grizzlies, Benjamin. Golden State going to Nate. Sacramento, Luis Suarez. The Lakers going to Chad Wilsbacher. Good luck, fellas. What up, Nick? What up? What do you guys want to start? Hangers got bangers? We'll start with the hanger got banger. Then we'll move on to blasters. And then we'll move on to mega, T-Mall, and then we'll do the fast break last. Yeah. Good luck. Okay. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Thank you for filling it up. Sabonis, Tyus Jones, Jaren Jackson, Jamal Murray, Big Cat, Kevin Knox, Bledsoe, Powell, DeAndre. We got our first rookie, Mason Jones, Anthony Davis, Malachi Flynn, Aaron Naismith, Denny. We got our orange, De'Aaron Fox, Gordon Hayward. Ooh, a Maxi. Nice. Going to Philly. Anthony Guinan. That's a good value for this break. Some Maxi. That's pretty sick. Joker. Going to Denver. Todd. Jimmy Buckets and a green Dominique Wilkins. Big head. All right. Blaster number 1. Blasters have Jennies. Is that what you say with these? I just want to pull one Genesis tonight. One Genesis, that's all. Is that too much to ask for? All right, blaster number 1. Set these aside. Mason Jones, we got a green rookie going to the Grizzlies, Xavier Tillman. Not bad. Memphis get a little hit. JJ Redick, Steven Adams, Okongwu, Giannis. Got a Devin Vassell. Green, Evan Fournier, color match at least. Lonzo, Embiid, KG, LeBron James, and I think we got an auto. And a LaMelo Ball. Bang, baby. Come on, be a LaMelo. I don't think with that color it's going to be a LaMelo, but Sky. We have Skylar Mays. Ooh, look at that. Not numbered. Skylar Mays, green cracked ice auto. Dude, that is sick. That's going to Atlanta. Told you guys to grab Atlanta. Runaway Rick. Congrats, bro. And we got a LaMelo Ball. What up, Norberto? What up, dude? LeBron James. Let's leave that. All right. Keep going. Shake Milton Green. Giannis. Richardson. Dame Lillard. Miles Bridges. TJ Warren. And a newbie. Cole Anthony, rookie. And to the Warriors, we have Eric Pascal. Green, cracked ice. I like those. Killian Hayes and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. We will sleeve these after blaster number 2. Is the UFC Immaculate filled? I'm not sure. I haven't had a chance to look. It was getting real close on box number 2 of the case. Let's go big Ant-Man. Let's go Norberto. Let's hit one. Let's hit the Jenny Ant-Man Genesis. Precious. Green, Mitchell Robinson, JJ Redick, D Rose, Maxey, and we got a silver Mosaic Ja Morant. Nice. Silver Jaja. Sick. Who's got him? Who's got Memphis? Going to Benjamin. Peyton Pritchard rookie. We got Sam Merrill, silver. Steph Curry, Porzingis, Bridges. There's a Wiseman and a green T-Mac going to the Magic. Hakeem the Dream. Culver, Kira Lewis. Green. Oh, I thought for a second Ant-Man, but not. Matisse Thybulle. Donovan Mitchell. Look at that divot. DeRozan quickly. And there we go. Anthony Edwards elevate. Take something. Take the first Edwards hit. That's it for blaster number 2. All right, Mega time. Come on, this gotta have a Genesis, right? Is this where we find it in our Mega? What was that, your Jazz card, Nick? Yeah. Donovan Mitchell with a freaking divot crater in it. Jenny, come on. Good luck. Mega. Get a mega luck. Paul George, LeBron James. We got a Russell Westbrook yellow. Ooh, sick. Tyrese Halliburton silver. Bang. Let's go. Sacramento. Going to Luis. Congrats, bro. Yalitza. Magic. Pokashevsky. Aaron Naismith. Rookie Aaron Naismith and Zeke Naji. We got a yellow Draymond. Green Allen Iverson. What? Cat has 46? Sheesh. Malachi, and we got a Reggie Perry yellow. Kongwu, Mason Jones, Timmy Duncan, Derek Fisher. Come on, come on. Vassell, Seth Curry. Towns has 49. Towns has 49 in the third quarter. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Damian Lillard. LaMelo, number 2. Ooh, nice quickly coming up. LaMelo, number 2. Got a yellow quickly. That's nice. Very nice. Quickly. And speaking of the man himself, the big cat with going for 50 at the free throw line right now. Big cat silver. Josh Hart. DeJounte. Killian Hayes, Cole Anthony, Ellaby, Lillard. Still searching for Jenny. Still searching for the Jenny. All right. We're on the T-Mall box now. T-Mall, we're looking for red waves and gold waves. There it is. He's got 50. 51. 51, still third quarter. Ooh, I see gold wave, I think. All right, let's pull that Ant-Man gold wave right now. Let's pull the Ant-Man gold wave. All right, that's about half right there. Let's roll with that. Good luck, good luck. Oh, I see I have that selected still, so you can't read it as good. There's that. Hopefully that helps. Jalen Smith. We got a red rookie, Denny Avdia. Nice color match. Pretty sweet. Still 2 more spots left in the Immaculate. 2 spots left in the Immaculate UFC, guys. Denny going to Washington and Sasha. Nice hit. Isaac. Killian Hayes. Red wave of Trey Young. Bang. That's sick. Color match. Trey. Oh, Towels just had a 3. 54. Come on, let's go 60, baby. Going for 60 at least. Oh, there he is. Nico Mannion, red. Let's go, Nico. Oh yeah, he's dealing. Oh, 56. He's got 56.
56.
Third quarter.
You gotta play him the entire fucking game. Gotta.
Oh my gosh, he's just dealing. They can't stop him. Denny. D'Angelo Russell red. Vernon Carey, Chris Paul. Ooh, nice gold. Bang, Isaac Okoro. Let's go. Cleveland going to Dave in the last spot. He closed the breakout with Cleveland, and he hits a banger. Gold wave, Isaac Okoro. Congrats, Dave. Bang. Nice hit. Jayshawn Tate and Karis LeVert gold. We got 2 golds. Karis LeVert going to Indiana. Going to Nick in the value spot. That's a color match, dude.
Oh, that's me. Is that me? No.
No. Which one are you?
I thought that was a
Spurs. Who else do you get?
That was Golden State and.
Oh, you got Golden
Pelicans.
State.
I thought that was Pelicans, maybe. Is there any?
No Pellies, really.
Nothing. Yeah.
Sorry, dude. Not yet.
All right.
Red wave. There it is. There it is. Curry.
All right.
There you go.
There it is. Perfect
We'll take a red wave, Steph. Nice hit. Dude, T-Mall is delivering. T-Mall is delivering right now. Just like Big Cat. All right, we still got, how many? Five packs left in this box. Can there be more golds even? Those are both red. Another red. Troy? No, he's not here. Oh, you're a big Auburn fan. That's right. So Isaac Okoro, nice. And all red. So no more golds left. But we can still hit something nice. Harrison Barnes, CJ Ellaby. Red wave. To the Blazers, Dame Lillard. Bang. Dude, the color matches have been sick in this. Portland getting a hit. Trailblazers going to Phillip. Nice hit. Seth, Draymond, D Rose, and a Kira Lewis. Red wave rookie. To the Jazz is Dookie Azabuki. Red wave rookie going to Utah. There you go, Nick. A little something, something. Aaron Naismith. And we got a Jakob Pertl, San Antonio. Jaja, Tatum. Campazzo, red. Of Evan Fournier. Come on. James Harden and Gary Payton, red. Going to the Thunder. Shoo. These Anthony Edwards and LaMelo are not being very nice to us right now. All right, last box, guys. Last box. We need a monster. One fast break, rookie variation. We do have numbered down to 1, so we got golds. Towns in? No. Not yet. Can't wait to collect Jabari Smith. He's supposed to be a top 2 pick. I'm assuming that's Auburn again. See the auto here. Got an auto. We got an auto. All right, let's start here. And then we'll go to that auto. It's right here, so we're going to pull it. Put it right there. Let it simmer. Patty Williams. We got a Wiseman. National Pride. Stairmasters. James Harden Disco. Going to Brooklyn. Get Wiseman loaded. Bridges. We got our second Halliburton. That's the debut. Isaiah Joe. Jerry West and Jerry West Silver. Kevin Durant, Cole Anthony, Brandon Ingram, Joker, Royce O'Neal, Towns. Rookie, Josh Green. Maxi and disco of Tobias Harris. All right, let's see what we got. 2 cards here. So we got Desmond Bain rookie and a Peyton Pritchard. Come on, let's get a big auto. Big auto, baby. To the Pistons. We're going to the Pistons. Oh, that is sick. Isaiah Thomas. Nasty going to Detroit. Going to Matt Shepers. That's a banger, dude. Isaiah Thomas. You don't see that ever. Congratulations, Matt. That's sick.
Right when you pulled that Isaiah, we were opening up the 16-17, and it's Isaiah Thomas.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna put up a break of this stuff.
Dude, look at that. Here, they can't see it.
16,
2016,
27,
2017. How many autos?
No, Kobe autos.
Oh, there's Kobe autos in this. We're going to be listing this, guys. 2016, 2017 Spectra. 7 autographs per box. Come on. Plus, you get a shot at Kobe autos. That's coming up. Dude, that's sick, though. We're going to talk about the dude who signs BB. Who is that? Who's the guy that signs BB? Is that, yeah, who was that? There's a lot of terrible people that do, or terrible signatures out there. What up, Matt? Look at that. That's a sick auto. Congrats, congrats. Oh, I think I saw a purple in here. Come on, let's get an Edwards or LaMelo. We need to hit a big rookie now. We got Jamias Ramsey. We got Denny. Purple is going to the 76ers. Come on, Maxi. Be a rookie. Oh, it's not a rookie. It is Joel Embiid. Still sick. Philadelphia going to Anthony. That's a sweet card. Numbered to 50. 11 out of 50. Pretty nice. Probably the MVP right here. There have been 2,000 basketball autos that have been listed on eBay today. Wow. How do you see those numbers? Very nice. Embiid. Come on. Let's hit a rookie. Let's hit the rooks. Obi. Jaden McDaniels. Allen Iverson. We got a disco of JJ Redick. Boo. Luka. First Luka the whole break. It's crazy. Tatum. Sam Merrill rookie. Ooh, Gary Trent. Silver disco. Trey. Lugas Dort. Devin Vassell and Paul Reed. We got, ooh, nice. Cleveland gets another hit. The silver disco. Isaac Okoro. Congrats, Dave. Still hitting Cleveland. Anthony Edwards base. Edwards, that's only number 2 so far. We got to hit it. We need some color. A Kongwu. Karl Anthony Towns. We need color from Charlotte and Minnesota here. Towns is back in the game, guys. There is our variation, rookie variation card. Well, that's a fun pack right there. LeBron James. Killian Hayes. Cole Anthony. Disco. We have Mitchell Robinson. Jason Kidd. Isaac Okoro. Silver Disco. Celtics. Tristan Thompson. It's a debut. They're both debuts, Dave. We'll see what the variation is. It's coming up here. Should be in this stack. I think I'm holding it. Yep. It's backwards, so that's the variation coming. Jay Sean Tate, Denny Avdia. Variation. Rookie disco of James Wiseman. Nice. James Wiseman going to Golden State and Nate Koenig. Congrats. Nice hit. That's a good variation to get right there. LeBron. And we got a Seth Curry blue. Dang. I didn't see the blue coming. Out of 85. Seth Curry is going to Philadelphia. Anthony's still getting hits. All right, we're down to 4 left. We need some color. Anthony Edwards. Or color LaMelo. Come on. Or Genesis, something. Ooh, another backwards card. We get another variation? I don't know why that one's backwards. Thought it was just one. One fast break exclusive rookie variation, so maybe we got an extra. KD. Clean this up a bit. Well, it's just backwards is not a rookie. Just saw it. De'Aaron Fox, Malachi Flynn, Aaron Naismith, Zeke, Silver Disco Valanciunas, Kobe, Zion. First Zion this whole break. Mason Jones. Mason Plumlee. Not sure if that's a variation or not. It was backwards for whatever reason. Devin Vassell, Okongwu, and silver variation, or not variation, Lamar Stevens, silver disco. Going to Cleveland again. Cleveland getting another hit. Damian Lillard, LaMelo Ball, Kevin Durant, and a Wiseman. Little sweet break, but very light on LaMelo and the Ant-Man. So 3 of the same LaMelos. 3 base, all the same. Anthony Edwards, we had 2. The Elevate and the base. Seth Curry out of, what was that, 85? 85, Seth. Dookie Azubuike red. Let's go to all these reds up here. We had Chef Curry red. Trey. Denny. Dame. Nico. Quickly yellow. We had a Karis LeVert gold. Joel Embiid purple disco to 50. I think Cat is still at 56. I don't think he's had a chance to score here. Wiseman, rookie variation disco. Hallie, silver. Hallie base. Maxi orange. We had the Jaja Elevate silver. There goes Towns. Oh man, they called an offensive foul. Xavier Tillman green and the Skylar Mays green cracked ice auto going to Atlanta. We had Isaac Okoro gold wave and Isaac Okoro silver disco. And the Isaiah Thomas fast break auto. Congrats to you hitters out there. That is the break. We will sleeve these up when I get a second here. Come on, coach. They took him out. They took him out. All right, let's keep it rolling.